Okay, so we move on to wicket keeping. First and foremost, you can see the equipment. Obviously, the pads are a lot shorter than batting pads. There's no flap. It doesn't come as high. Obviously, the wicket keeping gloves, etc. And everything else. Sometimes, obviously, if you're keeping to a spinner, the ball's bouncing and turning quite a lot, you'd probably wear a helmet. So that's the equipment. Now we're going to go through the various techniques. We're going to start off with, keeping to the seamers or to the fast bowlers. And I'm going to allow Nathan just to explain the various techniques with regards to footwork, stance, and the positioning of, keeping. So, yeah, so we're going to go through the various techniques with regards to standing back. How would you determine how far back you must stand from a medium pacer or fast bowler?
Well, obviously, if there's a bowler who's coming in and bowling very quickly, you're going to want to stand a bit further back. So what I like to do is I'll take my first ball and just see how quick it's bowling and how nice the carry's coming, and then I'll base where I stand after that ball's been bowled.
Yeah, that's very important, because sometimes you're standing a bit too far and the ball's dipping before it gets to you. So that is a sign already that you need to stand a little bit closer rather than too far back. You still want to be able to give and get it at a comfortable height. You don't want it to be taken when the ball's dropping or taking it near your feet. So it's important that you get the correct distance, that you're staying from the wicket as well. So, all right, with regards to, let's go back. Okay, you've determined how far back from the wickets you want to stand. The positioning.
Yeah. So my positioning. So usually I'll go. My feet would be about my shoulder width position, and then I'll go down. But usually when the bowler's running in, I'll take a step forward, and then I'll go down into my crouch position. And then when the ball's bowled, I rise slowly as the ball bounces. So I rise with the bounce. And it's very important staying low and catching the ball with your eyes.
Okay. Yeah. All right. What happens if it comes through sort of chest or head height?
So if it comes chest or head height, obviously your catching technique changes. So it changes from bringing it into the eyes to more like one of these. Yeah. And taking it, yeah. So, or sometimes if it's chest height, you can maybe get away with taking it like that, but if it's like shoulder height or above head, you often want to use the other technique.
Yeah, you can see there he's talking about giving. He goes either side of the ball, right? That's called giving. He's not snatching at it. He's allowing the ball to come to him, so he's riding it. You can see as he's riding what I said with regards to your close fielding. It's the same thing, slip fielding. He's riding the ball either side of him. That's all from me today. I hope you learned something. I'll see you for the next episode some other time.